Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to our channel, The Droid Guy. Today we're going to show you how to hide disk drive on Windows 10. Hiding disk drive on your computer is important, especially if another family member uses your device, and if you have some important data, you can hide it from another user. So, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to open the disk management window. To do this, go to search bar and type in disk management. Next, open this option, create and format hard disk partition. You also have the option to open the disk management window by opening the run command. Press the Windows key plus R key on your keyboard and type in disk mgmt.msc. So in here, you'll be able to see all the disk and disk partition on your PC. So choose the partition that you want to hide. So for example, I want to hide this disk drive. Right-click on it, then select Change Drive Letter and Paths. A new window opens. Now select Remove. It says here that some programs that rely on drive letter might not run correctly. So you can click on Yes if you want to proceed. If you go to your This PC, that partition is now hidden. You can check all the disk partition through the command prompt. Go to the search bar and type in CMD. This is the best match. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Type in disk part. Then hit Enter. Next, type in list space volume. Then hit Enter again. You'll be able to see all the disk partition of your PC, including the hidden disk drive. Now, if you want to unhide the partition, just go back to Disk Management. Select the partition you want to unhide. For example, this one. Right-click on it, then select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Then click the Add button. A new window opens. This one is not grayed out on your end. You can assign the same letter. Then click the OK button. After that, you'll be able to see the partition again on this PC. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.